In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real account on MetaTrader 5. We'll walk through the entire process together, from downloading the platform to getting it installed and ready to use, so you can start trading on a live account with confidence. Even if you're brand new to MetaTrader 5, don't worry, I'll keep things simple and straightforward. First, open your web browser and go to the official MetaTrader 5 website by typing in metatrader5.com in the address bar. Make sure you're on the official site so you know you're downloading the genuine software. Once the page loads, look for the option to download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. This is usually clearly highlighted on the homepage. Click on the download button and your browser will begin downloading the installation file to your computer. After the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and locate the MetaTrader 5 setup file. Double-click the file to start the installation process. If your computer asks for permission to run the installer, click Yes or Allow so it can continue. The setup window will appear and you'll see some basic information and a license agreement. Take a moment to read through it if you want, then click to accept the terms and move on. Next, you will be guided through a few simple installation screens. Usually, you can leave the default settings as they are, unless you have a specific reason to change the installation location. Click the Install or Next button and wait while the program is installed on your system. This may take a minute or two, depending on your computer speed. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a confirmation screen. There's often an option to launch MetaTrader 5 immediately, so make sure that's selected, then click Finish. MetaTrader 5 will now open for the first time. When it starts, it may automatically prompt you to open a new account or connect to a trading server. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to choose between opening a demo account or a real account, and then select a broker or server. For a real account, pick the appropriate real trading server from the list and enter the login details provided by your broker. Carefully follow each instruction on the screen, and once you have completed those steps,